Yeah, it's just a fun term for some tiny little fossils. I had a friend at that same museum, the Pioneer Trails Regional Museum in North Dakota, that liked to refer to our collections because we spent a lot of time collecting a lot of sediment and then watching it through screens and ending up with very few fossils, or not very many fossils, but that took up very little area. So they could fit inside of a shoebox instead of one dinosaur that takes up a whole room. Ants, which are nice little creatures, as long as they're not biting you, are very helpful, and each mound has many thousands, about 3,000 or more worker ants, and so they walk around making their mound, and while they're doing that, they're armoring it with tiny little pieces of gravel, and sometimes that armor also contains fossils, because some of the microfossils of small teeth and lizards and other animals, or parts of animals, are that perfect size.
What got you into paleontology?
That was definitely a few specific individuals in my hometown in North Dakota. I actually thought I wanted to be an archaeologist or something like that, and they couldn't take me out to do that at the time, but they were really involved in paleo, and after bugging me a few times to go out with them in the evenings, I did, and I went out once and was hooked. Well, for paleontology specifically, it's an interesting science field in that it almost incorporates any kind of science that you're interested in, because depending on what you're going to do, you might need to learn biology, how to describe or identify specimens, fossils, taxa. So I guess my advice would be to get as much schooling in different fields you can, and also hands-on if you're able to get with a local museum like the one here, or there's some other good ones in the area like Casper College at the Tate Museum. But getting out and actually seeing specimens in real life is really cool.